Wind advisory remains posted through 5 o'clock this afternoon. Still some gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour out there. Could mean a few additional outages in spots, as well as any sort of downed tree limbs from that wind, which is a similar wind direction out of the west and northwest as what we had yesterday, just not quite the numbers we had yesterday. Still some gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour going through the afternoon. Gusts over 30 later tonight, and then gusts tomorrow over 20 miles an hour. So the winds will be coming down quite a bit as the storm system passes well to our south during the daylight hours Thursday. And from there, since we start to lose that northerly and northwesterly wind and that flow, we will start to warm things up a touch going into the weekend. As far as the wind chill readings, of course, we have started off colder during the day today, and that means wind chill readings tonight will be significantly colder as well. We are likely starting sub-zero statewide tomorrow morning, only to recover back into the single digits and teens through the afternoon. You will notice the temperature trend, though, as we go forward. Today, the coldest of the next 7, and of course, we lose the wind, a significant portion of it going toward the end of the week. Notice by the weekend, temperatures near or just above the freezing mark, which should feel pretty good as we lose the flow coming out of Canada for a few days, and it's more of a westerly wind. West and northwest wind going through the afternoon. We will continue to see that come down to just a breeze, more generic breeze for this time of year for the day tomorrow, and then the clouds continue to make their way into the area. There'll be an upper level system nearby and a storm system passing to our south later on Thursday evening. That could kick off a couple of light snow showers in spots. Nothing more than a few passing snow showers all the way through the weekend. A weekend without a storm is, I think, welcomed by a lot of folks, so you can get out and enjoy all of that newly fallen snow on the ground with this active pattern we've been in. The active pattern does stay locked in going forward. It's just a matter of that system Thursday missing to our south. We'll watch for another system by the middle of next week.